Hi Leuha, welcome to my channel. We're gonna watch today, guys. Ziferblat, Bird of Prey, acoustic version, Ukraine. Guys, it's literally acoustic version. It's different version. Hmm, I'm thinking right now, and I want to find on my mind actually how it's resolved. Interesting. Hmm. Let's see, guys. If you guys not thought about Ziferblat, Ziferblat, they're saying like that. I hopefully I'm making true pronunciation. Anyway, let's go. La, na, na, na. Ba, 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 na, ba, 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 ba. Bro, bro, it's really so soft. I can feel from video actually music already. The smell coming.
Зайдеш і до мене, моя пташка,
Wow.
крилами пісня зліта, є важка.
Wow. He's singing more softly.
Крилами пісня зліта, є важка.
Wow.
Серденько, серце кохане, не турбуйся.
Yes.
Доля довірила.
His acting is good, by the way.
Доля довірила світ останнім із нас.
Wow.
Я світла шукаю, гори зверну.
Wow.
And I call you fly, I'm begging you,
Wow.
begging you, please just.
Bro, that one impressive is good. Oh my god.
Шукаю, гори зверну. And
you.
I call you fly, I'm begging you, begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares.
Oh my.
Of me and my little bird of prey.
Oh my god.
Of me and my little bird of
Yes. This version actually good too, but the original version. But it's still comparable.
Вертай, вертайся додому, рідна стежка. Вертайся
Wow, where did this come from? I know, look at this.
Вертай, вертайся додому, рідна стежка.
Wow.
Спів перелітних пташок народить весна.
Wow.
Пташок,
Where to stop?
спів перелітних пташок народить весна.
Wow.
Fly, but I'm begging you, just get. I'm begging you, just get off me and my little bird, my little bird.
Oh my god. By the way, his outfit.
Me and my little bird.
Look at this. It's kind of corset, right? Interesting. Bro. sick. And also, I'm saying right now, it's coming late. Sorry, but he can play piano too. That's so beautiful.
Fly like a bird. Where do you go? I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who flies.
Oh my God! You need to stop.
Please just leave. Share my heart with someone who flies. But I'm someone who
Ah,
flies. But I'm begging you, please just leave.
bro, who's thinking this outfit? Come on.
Begging
It's so creative, but kinda unnecessary too.
please just leave.
I
Share
wouldn't do that.
my heart with someone who cares. Begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares.
Yeah.
Oh, me and my little
Woo.
bird. Oh,
Ba, ba.
my little
Yeah.
bird of prey.
Oh my God. He's expressing emotions very well. Ah. Anyway, guys, let's end the video. If you guys want more about Ziffer, Lat, or Ukraine, or Eurovision, please comment down below and take care of yourself, guys, and bye.